Hey there, science fans! Today we're going on a wild ride through the human brain. Buckle up! Imagine your brain as a bustling city full of different neighborhoods. Each neighborhood has its own special job. There's planning, problem solving, and even some karaoke. Get ready to explore the amazing world inside your head. Let's go! First stop, the frontal lobe, our executive suite. This is the biggest part of your brain right behind your forehead. Think of it as the boss of your brain. It's in charge of making decisions, planning ahead, and controlling impulses. Ever stopped yourself from blurting something silly? Thank your frontal lobe for that. It's still developing well into your 20s, so cut those teenagers some slack. Next, let's visit the parietal lobe, the sensory processing center. It's like a giant switchboard, taking in information from all over your body. Touch, taste, temperature, pain. The parietal lobe handles it all. It helps you understand where your body is in space. Ever tried to touch your nose with your eyes closed? That's your parietal lobe working its magic. It's also why you can tell the difference between a soft kitten and a prickly cactus. Now, prepare to be dazzled by the occipital lobe, your visual processing center. Located at the back of your head, it's responsible for making sense of what you see. This small but mighty part of your brain is constantly at work, interpreting the flood of visual data that your eyes send its way. Without it, the world would be a blur of light and color, devoid of meaning and detail. Think of it as your own personal movie theater. It receives signals from your eyes and turns them into colorful images. Imagine the complexity of this task. Every second, millions of signals are transmitted from your retina to the occipital lobe, where they are decoded into the vivid, dynamic scenes you experience. It's like having a high-definition projector inside your head, constantly updating and refining the picture. From recognizing faces to admiring a beautiful sunset, it's all thanks to your occipital lobe. This incredible part of your brain allows you to distinguish between the myriad of faces you encounter daily and to appreciate the subtle hues of a sunset. It's not just about seeing, it's about understanding and appreciating the visual world around you. Next time you watch a movie, remember the amazing work happening in your visual cortex. As you get lost in the story, your occipital lobe is hard at work, ensuring every scene is clear and engaging. It's a silent, tireless worker, making sure you can enjoy the magic of cinema. So give a little nod of appreciation to this unsung hero of your brain the next time you sit down for a film. Section 5. Temporal tunes, music, memory, and more. Get ready to groove because we're heading to the temporal lobe, the center for auditory processing, memory, and language. Located near your ears, it's responsible for processing sounds, understanding language, and forming long-term memories. Remember that catchy song you can't get out of your head? Thank, or blame, your temporal lobe. It's also why you remember your best friend's birthday. What a multi-talented part of your brain. Section 6. Cerebellum City, Coordination Station. Welcome to the heart of coordination and balance. Hold on tight as we journey to the cerebellum, the maestro of movement. This small but mighty part of your brain is essential for every step you take and every move you make. This baseball-sized structure at the back of your brain helps you balance, walk, and even dance. Imagine trying to ride a bike or play a sport without it. Nearly impossible, right? Think of it as your body's personal choreographer. It plans and fine-tunes your movements, making sure everything is in sync. It coordinates your muscles, ensuring smooth, coordinated movements. Whether you're typing on a keyboard or playing a musical instrument, the cerebellum is hard at work. Ever marveled at a gymnast's incredible balance, holding a pose with such precision and control? Or a dancer's graceful movements gliding effortlessly across the stage? These feats of agility and grace are all thanks to the cerebellum. That's the cerebellum in action. It's constantly processing information from your senses and adjusting your movements accordingly. It's the reason you can walk and chew gum at the same time. Impressive, right? But it doesn't stop there. The cerebellum also plays a role in motor learning, helping you improve and refine your skills over time. Whether you're learning to play a new sport or mastering a dance routine, the cerebellum is your silent partner, guiding you towards perfection. So next time you marvel at a complex movement or a perfectly timed action, remember to thank your cerebellum, the unsung hero of your brain's coordination station. Section 7. Teamwork makes the dream work, brainpower united. Welcome to an incredible journey inside your head, where the magic of teamwork unfolds every second. As you can see, each part of your brain has a vital role to play. The frontal lobe, the parietal lobe, the occipital lobe, and the temporal lobe all have their unique functions. But here's the thing, they don't work in isolation. Each part is intricately connected to the others, forming a complex network of communication. Instead, they're constantly communicating, exchanging information at lightning speed, sending signals back and forth through billions of neurons and synapses, working together to create your thoughts, emotions, and actions. This collaboration is what allows you to think critically, feel deeply, and act purposefully. It's like a symphony orchestra, where each musician plays their instrument in perfect harmony, with each section playing its part to create a beautiful, harmonious masterpiece. The conductor of this orchestra is your brain, ensuring that every note is in sync. So next time you laugh, learn something new, or feel a rush of joy, or simply tie your shoelaces, remember that it's not just a simple action. It's a result of complex coordination and communication. Remember the amazing teamwork happening inside your head. Every thought, every movement, every emotion is a testament to the incredible power of your brain working as one united team. Section 8. Respect the brain, your superpowered command center. We've reached the end of our brain tour, but the exploration doesn't stop here. Your brain is an incredible organ, capable of amazing things. It's constantly learning, adapting, and evolving. So be kind to your brain. Give it plenty of sleep, exercise, and healthy food. Remember, you only get one brain, so make it last a lifetime. Keep those neurons firing, and never stop exploring the wonders of your own mind.